Are you looking for the best tape measure for woodworkers? Here we will break down the top 7 best tape measure for woodworkers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Chrome tape measure. This tape measure is highly durable and can be used for any projects. This versatile tape measure is appropriate, even the smallest of woodworking projects, like making cabinets, to large projects like building a home. It comes with stud center markings of 19.2 inch and 16 inch. Stud center markings are used for spacing studs away from walls. Usually, studs are spaced on center along walls at 16 inches or 24 inches. Studs provide support to the walls, so they're extremely important for building homes. 2 different center markings in a tape measure will help the woodworker be more flexible with his work. With this measuring tape from Stanley, you will be able to align studs according to your wishes. The standout is also consistent with this measuring tape. It won't bend after continuous usage. If you opt for this product, you will have a rigid, non-bendable 7-foot-long measuring tape for a long time. The total length of the tape is 25 foot, and it has a width of only 1 inch. Shorter width means that it can reach narrower spaces. The tape measure is great for professionals. If you are looking for an everyday use tape measure, we highly recommend this one. At number 2. General Tools LTM1 Laser Tape Measure. The General Tools LTM1 2-in-1 laser tape measure is a very cool concept, combining the range of a laser with the short distance convenience of a traditional measuring tape. With the measuring tape, you can measure up to 16 feet. However, the laser expands your range up to 50 feet, which allows you to tackle entire rooms without moving. The great thing about this model is that it allows you to use whichever method is most convenient at the time, or the method that's better for the task at hand. It does provide accuracy to within a quarter inch at 50 feet. If you need more accuracy, you can always use the included tape measure. If you can make good use of a long-range laser and short-range measuring tape, then this is the model for you. At number 3. Komelon SL2825 Power Tape. It is a reliable tape measure for woodworkers. The rubberized case, accompanying with the nylon-coated blade, ensures maximum durability. Additionally, it has a self-locking mechanism that allows the smooth blade extension. Its ergonomically engineered case gives user comfort in long-time usage. This 25 feet long tape is an ideal tool for woodworking because it's a one-touch button. So without others' help, one can measure in quarters area too with this tool. The numbers are printed clearly and notably on the blade, so you can measure in low-light situations. Besides, the price is much reasonable than regular tape. At number 4. Komelon SM5425 Speed Mark Gripper Measuring Tape. The tape price is relatively more affordable price, and this is a high-quality 25-foot measuring tape that comes with a white blade that also includes fractional graduation printed. The steel blade is tough and highly durable, thanks to the acrylic coating, and it will be pretty hard to break or even dent it. And despite being a white blade, it is still gentle on your eyes as it does not have any glare. This tape measure is also designed to provide an easy grip, and with a thicker rubber jacket that can withstand the shock that comes with accidental drops. At number 5. ETAP 16 Eastern Time Digital Tape Measure. It is very easy to use. To measure a length of pipe or lumber or the width of a room or outdoor area, just stretch the tape out as needed, then glance down at the digital screen to get a measurement that's easy to read and accurate down to the 16th of an inch. Or you can toggle over to the metric system for a measurement accurate to within less than a millimeter. The ETAP 16 digital measuring tape can store up to 3 measurements at a time, 2 for long-term storage, as well as the most recent measurement. At number 6. TEKTON 71953 Tape Measure. TEKTON 71953 tape measure includes ABS housing. This housing has rubber grips that are non-slip and impact resistant. The thumb switch with sliding feature locks the position of the tape. There is a single touch pause button to hold the position of the tape for instant markings or rechecks. The 4-rivet sliding hook at the end gives proper inner and outer measurements. At every 1x8 inch and 1x32 inch the tape has fractional readout, and for first foot, 1x16 inch it has graduations. There are throughout graduations and red stud marks in every 16 inches of the tape. All these markings with different colors are easy to visualize quickly. TEKTON 25 foot by 1 inch tape measure removes errors in reading and therefore expensive cutting mistakes with these alternate color markings that saves both time and money. This tape will give you more confident measurement and marking, and faster cutting. The tape is manufactured from strong ABS material that is impact resistant. The design of the compact housing is such that it can accommodate easily in your hand. The rubber grips of the tape are non-slip to offer you more control and to prevent droppings. At number 7. Milwaukee 4822-7125 Magnetic Tape Measure. This seemingly modest tool packs in quite a few features. Starting with the 25 foot by 1 inch double-sided blade, Milwaukee added to the quality with a slick coat of protective nylon. A large percentage of people who own this tool compare it to those of other top brands, such as Craftsman or the Stanley Fatmax below. The relatively strong magnet and ability to read from both sides make this a hit in both professional and DE circles. The 4822 to 7125 seems to be an exception, as owners report a tape standout of about 9 to 10 feet. This is well above average and almost on par with the Fatmax and its wider blade.